Need to erase your Apple Watch? This will help you fix some minor bugs and glitches and free up your Apple Watch storage. In this video, I'll show you how to erase your Apple Watch. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Method 1. Erase all content settings using iPhone. If your iPhone is paired with your Apple Watch, then grab your iPhone. Open up the Watch app on your iPhone. Tap General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap Reset. Tap Erase Apple Watch Content and Settings. Now tap Erase All Content and Settings. Again tap Erase All Content and Settings. Enter your Apple ID password. Then tap Erase from the top right corner. Method 2. Reset your Apple Watch. Open the watch home screen, tap on the Settings app. Now scroll down and then tap General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap Reset. Tap Reset All Content and Settings. Scroll down again. Tap Erase All. And that's the way to erase your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Until then, stay tuned.